Hey guys, what is up? My name is Tom Spark and welcome back to another video. As you might have heard, NFTs out there are blowing up. They're basically kind of like digital images or even like digital kind of layers of information on the blockchain, Ethereum, and some other competitors out there. Lots of rich people are using them now to launder money. Lots of people out there are buying them in hopes to sell them. Scams are crazy. Things are going nuts with NFTs and have been for some time now. And I've never really covered it on the channel because there wasn't a direct tie-in with VPNs or IP addresses and that kind of cybersecurity niche that I cover. However, now I just found an interesting article that does tie it in 100%. What the hell is going on?
But wait, Tom, why should we listen to you? You're just some random guy on the internet, right?
Wrong.
I'm not just some random guy. I'm the guy who created the first VPN tier list. Now, I've pretty much created every single VPN out there, and this is something no one else has ever done. I've been doing this for around 5 years now, and I've probably spent thousands of hours of reviewing VPNs. And that means these reviews are the most accurate on the internet, bar none.
So guys, basically I found this article by Vice talking about how people are designing NFTs that will steal your IP address. So basically what this article is talking about is that users can code NFTs to have HTML code that will log your IP address. And the people who create these NFTs can save the IP addresses, and you can even see things showing you how many people have had their IPs logged, which one is the last one logged. And this opens up a wide kind of area for NFTs themselves as a potential use case. Can companies be using NFTs to track you on the internet? A way to bypass browser restrictions, like let's say Brave is blocking trackers and ads and stuff like that. If you look at an NFT, maybe it can figure out a way to track you across the internet for advertisers like Verizon. I see this being a huge niche for internet service providers and companies across the board to use NFTs to track you and sell you ads. Maybe even an ad on a website is an NFT and it's tracking you. This could simply be crazy. And now, how can you protect yourself from these NFTs or the future of NFTs in this way? Well, you can use a VPN. A VPN will prevent these NFTs from tracking your IP address. It will show your VPN IP address. And even in this article, they talked about how a VPN can protect you from this, and the NFT will simply show the ISP or IP address the VPN is using. So as you can see here, Motherboard verified this by loading the item's OpenSea listing, which is a website that hosts NFTs, and it correctly displayed the IP address of a VPN server used by Motherboard. So the people who are doing the research and stuff were using a VPN to protect their IP, and that's one way you guys can do this. Let me know what you guys thought of this quick little snippet here talking about NFTs. So let me know what you think of them in the comments down below. Do you think this will be a really big sector for NFTs to track and use users' data across the board? And are you going to be using a VPN to protect yourself in the future from cases like these? Lots of people say that VPNs aren't useful for people, in the future, or you don't even need them anymore. But if anything, this proves that we might need VPNs more than ever going forward. All right, guys, see you in the next video very soon.